Hi everyone. For those of you that are using Boom Cards through Zoom for your students, primarily through teletherapy, if you have a student that's using an iPad, we have noticed that there's difficulty with the clicking and dragging option on Boom Cards. So just to show you what my husband figured out with me tonight, if you are on your screen, you go up to your Zoom and you give them remote control access to your student. So now on their iPad, you'll see this little blue mouse pops up. Click it, they have control. In order to click and drag, you're going to look for the little blue mouse that shows up, and you're going to touch the mouse. Hold it down for a second and slowly pull it. If you go too fast, you'll notice that the mouse comes up, but the mouse moves, not the image. So you have to click the image, bring the little mouse up, touch the mouse for a second, and slowly pull. One more time, touch the image, hold the mouse down, and slowly drag the mouse to the right section. And that should work from now on. Kids might need a little bit of practice because it is a little bit challenged, but now you know how to do it. So good luck with your students. Thanks again for watching.